Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC P0532 indicates an issue with the AC pressure sensor circuit, specifically signaling low voltage. This problem can impact the air conditioning performance, affecting the overall cabin environment. In a 2017 to 2023 Honda Accord, the AC pressure sensor is critical for monitoring refrigerant pressure to manage optimal air conditioning operation. The sensor is commonly located on the AC line and connected to the powertrain control module, PCM. This low voltage condition may arise due to issues in the wiring or the sensor itself, which needs careful inspection to ensure functionality. Mechanics often utilize a Honda Diagnostic System (HDS) tool to aid in diagnosing the severity of the issue and to determine whether the fault is intermittent or consistent. DTC P0532 specifically refers to a malfunction in the AC pressure sensor circuit where a low voltage condition is detected. The AC pressure sensor is crucial as it monitors the refrigerant pressure, providing vital information to the PCM to optimize air conditioning performance. Typically located on the AC refrigerant line, the sensor sends voltage signals back to the control module, which then interprets these signals to manage refrigerant flow efficiently. When the voltage drops to 0.24 volts or lower, the DTC is triggered, indicating potential wiring issues, a faulty sensor, or connection problems. It's imperative to grasp that a low voltage alert can mislead diagnostics if the sensor itself is functional and the issue resides in the circuit. There are several potential causes for the P0532 code. One primary cause could be a faulty AC pressure sensor that fails to provide proper voltage signaling to the PCM. Additionally, poor connections at either the AC pressure sensor or the PCM can lead to intermittent issues that trigger this DTC. Wiring issues such as frayed or damaged wires could also result in insufficient voltage being transmitted. Recognizing these causes is fundamental as it aids technicians in narrowing down the specific area to inspect during troubleshooting. Ensuring all connections and wiring are inspected thoroughly should be a top priority when addressing this error code. Drivers may experience various symptoms when the P0532 code is active. A significant symptom is poor air conditioning performance, where the system fails to cool the cabin effectively, resulting in discomfort. Additionally, erratic AC operation can occur, with the system cycling on and off unpredictably. Dashboard warning lights may also illuminate, indicating malfunctions within the AC system, prompting the need for diagnostic checks. Furthermore, users might notice strange noises or a decrease in overall system efficiency. Recognizing these signs is crucial, as they prompt timely checks and repairs, preventing further damage to the AC system. For the first step in troubleshooting the P0532 code, you need to start the vehicle and allow it to idle. This initiation helps to create the necessary conditions for diagnosing the AC pressure sensor's performance. Next, turn on both the blower switch and the AC switch. With these components activated, it's crucial to use the Honda Diagnostic System (HDS) to check the AC pressure sensor voltage. If the sensor voltage is measured at 0.24 volts or less, it confirms that the parameters match the set threshold. If the voltage somehow meets this condition, further diagnosis should proceed. However, if it doesn't, there's a likelihood of intermittent failure, and you should check the connections at the AC pressure sensor and the PCM for any poor contacts or loose terminals to ensure a reliable circuit. The second troubleshooting step involves turning the vehicle to the off-lock mode, allowing safe disconnection of components. After that, you need to disconnect the AC pressure sensor 3P connector. This disconnection is vital to isolate the problem area for effective diagnosis. Once the connector is removed, turn the ignition back to the on mode. Using the HDS again, check the voltage at the AC pressure in the third troubleshooting step with the vehicle in the on mode and the AC pressure sensor connector disconnected. You'll measure the voltage between specified test points. Test point 1 refers to the AC pressure sensor connector's female terminal number 1, while test point 2 is female terminal number 3. Measuring the voltage here is crucial in determining if it approaches 5.0 volts, which indicates that the power supply is functioning correctly. If you detect nearly 5.0 volts, the AC pressure sensor is deemed faulty and should be replaced to rectify the low voltage issue. Conversely, if the reading does not reach this threshold, it means further troubleshooting is necessary to identify the problem area, which lies within the sensor's connections or the wiring to the sensor. As you proceed to the fourth troubleshooting step, ensure the vehicle is in the off-lock mode again. Before checking the wiring, jump the SCS line, which is a short circuit detection feature. After this step, disconnect the PCM connector E, 80P, as this action allows you to investigate the continuity in the circuit more effectively. Next, you need to check for continuity between the specified test points. Ensuring the AC pressure sensor connector is still disconnected. Test point 1 is female terminal number 3 of the AC pressure sensor connector, and point 2 is the PCM connector E, 80P, terminal number 63. If continuity exists, it confirms that the VCC6 wire is operational and allows technicians to proceed to consult authorized service information for further troubleshooting. However, if there's no continuity, it indicates an open wire in the VCC6 line that needs immediate repair to restore functionality. In the fifth troubleshooting step, once again ensure the vehicle is set to off-lock mode. Repeat the process of jumping the SCS line to confirm a short circuit condition is managed. After performing these actions, disconnect the PCM connector A, 50P, as this is essential to isolate the circuit you're working with. Following this, check for continuity between the specified test points. Test point 1 relates to the AC pressure sensor connector female terminal number 2, while test point 2 connects to body ground. Continuity checks the integrity of the PD sensor line. If continuity exists, there's a short in the wire that needs addressing between the AC pressure sensor and the PCM. Should continuity not be present, the PD sensor wire is considered operational, directing technicians to inspect authorized service information for the DTC and symptoms, or substitute the PCM for further diagnostics. After completing all necessary repairs for DTC P0532, it is critical to verify that the vehicle operates correctly. First, start the engine and allow it to idle, making sure the AC system is functioning properly with no complaints from the driver. Once you're confident that the repairs have rectified the issue, clear any old DTC codes from the PCM using the Honda Diagnostic System HDS. This clearing is significant as it resets any error codes present. Following this, conduct a thorough test drive to observe the AC performance under typical driving conditions, ensuring that the warning light does not reappear and that the system operates smoothly indicates that the issue has been successfully resolved. Preventive maintenance is crucial for avoiding the recurrence of DTC P0532. Regular inspections of the AC system, including the pressure sensor, ensure any potential issues are identified before they escalate. Checking wiring connections periodically helps to prevent wear and tear that can lead to voltage issues. Additionally, it's essential to maintain proper refrigerant levels within the system, as low levels can stress the AC pressure sensor and lead to operational failures. Keeping these practices in mind not only promotes overall vehicle health, but also enhances the longevity and reliability of the AC system. A proactive approach can significantly reduce troubleshooting incidents and enhance driving comfort. In summary, understanding DTC P0532 and its implications is vital for ensuring optimal AC performance in a Honda Accord from 2017 to 2023. Properly following the outlined troubleshooting steps can effectively diagnose and repair the underlying issues that lead to this diagnostic trouble code. It's crucial to identify whether the root cause lies within the AC pressure sensor, wiring, or connections to the PCM. Moreover, implementing preventive maintenance routines to check wiring and sensor functionality can prevent future occurrences of similar faults. By maintaining a proactive approach to vehicle care, owners can enhance comfort, prolong system life, and ensure a pleasant driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.